Okay, we are ready to ship this injector, but before we do, we wanted to do a little reminder video for when it came to the cleaning process. If you are unaware of how to do the cleaning process for the Ruhle PR15 injectors, and what you need to do is when you are running the machine, you stop it with the needles in this position all the way up, stop the machine there, and then at the end of the day, at the end of the production, you want to put in your plastic board with this, which is this here. And you're gonna put it this way here, and then you're gonna start the machine. Okay, you run the machine like normal, and you make sure the bucket is filled with water, or water with soap, whatever you want to run in the water to clean the inside of the needles. Okay, and that's what you do. The needles will then press against here, and the pressure of the water will run through the needles, and this is what you need in order to clean the needles at the end of every production, so that way there's nothing left inside the needles, so that it doesn't dry up and cause the needles to be blocked at the end of the day. So that's the very most important thing. At the end of every shift, put the needles in this position, and then run the machine with this here. Run it with the water solution that you have. Let the water go through the needles like normal operation, and you run it so until you see that the needles have been nice and cleaned. And then that's it. And then you take it away, take this away, and then you have your machine in good working order, ready to use on the meat again the next day. Thank you.